How do you pronounce these phrases in English? We're going to be looking at how to say more vocabulary as well in English. So if you want to learn more correct pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. So let's break down the pronunciation. Same, to you. E-u. Same to you. Same to you. So you use this phrase if somebody says, congratulations, for example. You can say, same to you. Or, all my best wishes. You can respond, same to you. Same to you. Same to you. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.